Hello, what's up guys, my name is Ghazanfali and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can integrate CCavenue payment gateway for your WooCommerce based WordPress website. If you want to know how you can integrate CCavenue gateway for your WooCommerce website, let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do is to go to your dashboard, and then you will have to click on this plugins and you will have to click on add new, and from here you will search for CCavenue. And once you will search for CCavenue, you will have to download this plugin and click on install. Now I already have installed this plugin. You might want this plugin, you can install this plugin as well. This is completely up to you. This one is 5 years old and this one is 6 months ago, so let's just install this plugin. And I'll click on activate, and once you will click on activate this plugin should be integrated with WooCommerce. And then let's go to WooCommerce, and then we'll go to settings, and once you'll go to settings, you will have to click on this payments tab. Once you will click on payments, you can see here we have an option that says CCavenue. Click on setup, and once you will click on setup, it will ask you for enable or disable. Let's just integrate the merchant ID. So in order to get the merchant ID, you will have to log into your CCavenue dashboard, and from here you will hover over these settings and you will click on this API keys. So once you will click on these API keys, you will get the similar layout, and from here you will get the merchant ID. I'll copy the merchant ID from there and I'll paste the merchant ID in this place, and then we require the working key. Here we have access code and here we have working key, so I will copy this working key from there and I'll paste this working key in this place. Then after that I'll enable CCavenue payment gateway, so it should be visible on checkout page, and then I'll click on save changes. So once you will do that, you will successfully be able to integrate the payment gateway CCavenue with your WooCommerce based website. If you want, you can also enable the direct bank transfer or other payment options that are available there, or you can get started with other kind of payment gateways there. So in this way you can integrate your CCavenue payment gateway with your WooCommerce website. If you have learned something new from this tutorial, please feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will always find new videos whenever I upload them. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one.